Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the MetaMask application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, click on settings, tap on security and privacy, scroll down, and then you should click on this unlock with Touch ID button down below. Then you should enter your password, type it in, click on confirm, and then you should use your Touch ID for authentication, and as you can see it has been set. So now you are free to unlock the application with your fingerprints. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.